Having a content plan gives you direction. It allows you to measure success and improve to better your brand. It also keeps you active, keeping your audience engaged. In the long term, it creates efficiency and reduces stress. Sure, it may take some time to set up, but it will quickly pay off as you become faster at making decisions and learning what worked for your audience. To make sure people will recognize your brand, it's important to stay consistent with your voice, visual design, photo treatment, and style. Start with a document that outlines these rules for your designs, like a brand mood board. Then go back and use this document each time you design content. You also will want to set up your Canva brand kit. This will allow you to keep your designs on brand with just one click. Also very important is to stay consistent with the frequency of your content. Create often so your audience stays engaged and reminded of your brand. If you're top of mind, they will more likely to interact, recommend, and even purchase from you. You can plan and schedule your Pinterest pins using Canva's content planner. And once you know your content is all in there and ready to go, you will have peace of mind to go on with your busy day. Let's take a look at how you can schedule your pins. Select your date and time, which board you'd like your pin to live in, add your caption, and your pin is all set.